Jerry Zayden with Camberg Racing here. We're in the back of my shop. I have my Gen 3 Raptor back here and I'm installing something different that typically we wouldn't do here at Camberg, but makes a lot of sense on my new build. I'm doing a new truck and I'm doing what I dubbed the prelander. So it's more pre-runner mixed with overlanding. So I'm not gonna do a big camper, a pop-up tent on the roof or any of that, but I want all my stuff secure and I want it out of the elements if it's raining or snowing. And that's where I'm installing this bed cover. Really lightweight. This is a brand new model that just came out. It's all covered in Line-X. And this right here, it's called the Armor Flex and it's by Undercover. Awesome products, got all this like rubber sealing on it here. Installation is really simple. It runs these clamps under the bed here. It's got this nice foam molding here to keep everything sealed. So it's like a pressure seal, just like you would see on any kind of gaskety type stuff. And then if any water does get in here, it hits this drip rail and all exits out the back right here. So you're not gonna have any water in the bed of your truck. So that's really important to this build. As you see here, I have these Molly panels by Built Right Industries. These bolt right to these factory locations. And so I could put different gear bags and supplies, tow straps, whatever attached to that stuff so it's out of the way. And I'm utilizing the side of the bed for storage. I'm also going to do aircraft E-track onto the floor, so any of my hard cases that hold any of my supplies. So I'm going to have one for cooking in camp and then the other one for all my sleeping. So whether it's a tent, sleeping bag, that kind of stuff. So just two simple boxes, put an igloo cooler in the back here and I'm good to go. And keeping it simple. And then for day to day, if I'm surfing and have a surfboard in the back of my truck, it's secured because that locks. Going snowboarding, you know, the whole family with all of our gear bags or any of that stuff. Keeps everything dry, out of the elements. Also, when you go in to eat on the way to Mammoth or something, you don't have to worry about someone grabbing a gear bag because it's secure. Also keeping the weight way down. This thing weighs like hardly anything, and that's what's really cool about it. So you don't have to worry about all that weight up above or it ripping off, because when you're in Baja on the roads, everything wants to rattle apart and do its thing. So definitely going to be an awesome product. Watch the install. We'll show you how it works. One of the other really cool features of this is like when you put it on your bed and you flip it up, that's kind of, you know, when you go to Home Depot or whatever. But what if you want to take dirt bikes in your truck or whatever and you don't really want the bed cover on there? It removes very quickly and it literally weighs nothing. So this thing's like not heavy at all. You know, just store it in your garage, prop it up against the wall. So really easy to deal with. And you're not stuck with it, you know, mounted on the truck if you need your truck to be a truck. But day to day, having this and having all your gear locked up in the back, that's what's really important about these. And so definitely a solid accessory for your pickup truck if you don't want to put a shell or a camper or anything on it. All right, so now that we got this installed, the installation time I would say would take under an hour. It's very simple to do. These clips here, which we can undo right here, and they just clip into here, that holds that up. And you'll see these latches here, and that's what holds this down. And this thing literally just folds like that. And now you have a full secure bed. Here's the logo, so you know what to buy. Very simple to work with. You have this little pull cable under here, so you can check this out. So you just pull that down, that comes up, and another one under there, right here, and then it just undoes each latch like that. And to keep this up, behind here there's a little strap, and to take it off, if you look under here, there's a little knob you turn right here. You just undo the knobs on both sides and the whole top just comes off. So it's very simple to work with. And you look here and you can see this rubber grommet here, and as this closes, this whole thing just seals all along the top of the bed, and just has this nice rubberized seal along the whole bed here. And whatever water does get in here, it's just gonna come down the drip rail here. They also have a little piece of fitting under here and some hose if you want to drill a small tiny hole to get the water to drain from the front and the back. We just cap that off here because it's not very rainy in Southern California, and that'll let the water just kind of go out the back, so be good to go.